You weren't that Bucky's again.
Yes, I am. See, I told you, Kuya Jeb was gonna say something.
You're not wearing pajamas. You're not allowed in here. Wear your underwear.
You go night. You go night.
Can I carry?
You wanna say hi to my vlog?
This
This is Kyla. If you're comfortable, I can blur your face.
No, I'm fine. I'm kind of chopped right now. Though.
Nigga's got a big ass mouth.
Okay, wait.
My pride rise.
You can call me baby. Love you, crazy.
Okay, let me not get over copyright.
My bad. Can I carry you? Can I carry you? Come on.
Shy. He's shy. Maybe later. Why is everybody drunk right now? We have like a bottle of wine over there with peach Crown Royale. Like every
Free gaming.
Woo, God. Go Jade!
Oh, maglaba ka na, JM. Who's gonna win the TV? Oh!
Okay. 55 CCL goes to Ate Marlon. Everybody's present. Okay. Who did you get? Tita G.
Go, go.
45.
That would be 14.
G53.
I won $80. The last number, it was called out, and it was a B3. And where we were doing the L shape, and I won the last number. I won $80. That's about to drop me back home, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Hi guys. Okay, so me and Manny's dad agreed on me having Manny for Christmas this year, because every year we always swap which one of the holidays, either Thanksgiving or Christmas, for me to have him. And so he was with his dad on Thanksgiving week this year. Like most of the years he's with him on Thanksgiving, because you know they celebrate Thanksgiving. So every year, almost every year now, I've had Manny on Christmas. So me, the kids, and my dad are going to Laredo, which is like a couple of hours away from Mexico, which is a 5-hour drive from Houston, 5.5 hours or 6, depending on the traffic. So I just got my luggage out of this closet right here. I haven't started packing yet, to be honest, because I was waiting on Manny's dad to confirm if, you know, I can have him on the day on Christmas Eve, because they open gifts on his dad's side. So I was waiting to confirm that, and he agreed on doing it. So this is my last minute packing clothes and stuff for me and the kids. I don't usually pack really late because we leave on Christmas Eve, and it's currently Thursday right now. Yeah, today's the 18th, and we leave in like 4 or 5 days, and I'm getting Manny on the 23rd. And yeah, I'm just trying to like get my mind right so I don't forget things when we go road trip on the road. And yeah, I'm gonna bring one suitcase and try to manage to fit everything in here with my clothes and the kids' clothes. I'm gonna see if this side zips up, and I'm gonna put all my clothes and the kids' clothes there, while I'll put toiletries and me and the kids' shoes right here. You know what? I'm just gonna let them wear the shoes they're gonna wear, and then have them wear that instead. And then that way it can fit everything in here, because I don't wanna bring their suitcase that's up there, if you guys can see. It's the Sonic Hedgehog suitcase. I don't want to bring 2 suitcases, and I'm just gonna bring this one right here, and then I'll bring a backpack for like other stuff, just in case, for my like electronics and stuff. Okay guys, I managed to fit everything on that side, all of our clothes, socks, underwear, everything. This side is gonna be like probably my electronics and bathroom stuff, but I'm gonna do the bathroom stuff like face cleanser, body wash, toothbrush last, because we need those stuff first before we leave. What I meant is the toothbrush, we still need those. And yeah, and then I can just put whatever rests in here on this side. And then this is gonna be the clothes that we're gonna be wearing the day of traveling or road trip to Laredo. This is my outfit. It looks like it was my Moana outfit that I wore when we went to go see Stitch. And this is Josiah's, the plaid shirt and jeans. And then this is Manny's. It's like Hawaii shirt on with his Adidas, because I'm pretty sure he wants to wear that. I need to remind myself the day of leaving, I need to bring Josiah's portable, what is this called? Portable potty thing with us, because just in case he doesn't use the restroom over there at my aunt's and uncle's house. So I'm gonna bring that in case, cause like he doesn't like use the actual toilet unless he gotta do number 2, and that's it. Now I gotta clean this up because I was steaming one of Manny's shirt and I kind of made a mess here.